Hey guys, I'm Emma Ryan, Integrative Nutrition Health Coach and founder and owner of Plant. Today we're making a very tasty and a very healthy version of an orange Julius smoothie. So this was probably most of your childhood favorite smoothies if you're anything like me. So we're going to use 2 frozen bananas. So I froze these overnight in a freezer safe Ziploc bag. So 2 frozen bananas. I have half a cup of freshly squeezed orange juice, half a cup of our house-made almond milk. If you haven't watched that video, head over to that one first. I have half a teaspoon of pure vanilla, or real vanilla extract, I should say. Just a pinch of salt. I have a tablespoon of orange zest, fresh orange zest from the orange juices that we juiced, and half an ounce of honey. And I would do a local honey if you can. Now we're just going to blend this until creamy. Awesome, there we go. So I'm just gonna pour this in my glass. And we are ready to serve. That's the one, that's it. All right, try this at home, try it with your friends, family, your kids are gonna love it. Be sure to subscribe, comment below, let us know what you're looking forward to on the next video, and I'll see you soon.